In this video, we are looking at discounts and markups. So when a store is selling something, right, sometimes they will discount it. They will decrease the original price in order to encourage people to buy more of it. And then similarly, when a store is selling something, they usually have purchased that item in bulk, right? They buy a lot of the same item at a lower price from whoever makes that product, and then they sell it to you at what's called a markup, right? So they increase the price from what they pay, and that increase is called a markup. So let's look at finding a sale price. So in this first example, we've got the original price of a video game is $35, and it's discounted at 25%. And there are two basic ways we can solve this. So one way is to find the total discount first and then subtract it from the original price. And the other is to find, using the discount, what percent of the price you're actually paying. So let's first look at finding the discount, right? So A is equal to P% times W, right? The discount is equal to 25% of $35, or 25% times 35. So we could rewrite that as the discount equals 0.25 times 35, and then it's just a multiplication problem here. Three times 5 is 15, and 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7. So our discount is $8.75. Now, that doesn't mean we only pay $8.75, but it means we get to take $8.75 off of the original price of $35. So then we subtract and we get $26.25. So our new price, our sale price, would be $26.25. So that's one method. You find the discount and subtract it from the original price. Now another method, and I think this one's a little bit easier, is just to look at that discount. So we're getting a 25% discount. So normally the whole price would be 100% of the price. And so if I'm getting 25% off, then I just subtract 25% from 100%, and that means I'm paying 75% of the original price. So now I'm just finding 75% of $35. So A is equal to P% times W. So that means my sale price will be equal to 75% of 35. So that will be equal to 0.75 times 35. And we can do our multiplication, and we will get the exact same answer we got with the other method, $26.25, but without needing to do that subtraction now. So 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is 37, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 7 plus 1. 22, and sure enough, we get 26.25. So either of these methods works, and you can use whichever one makes more sense to you. So looking at another example, the original price of a skateboard is $50. It's on sale for 20% off. So once again, you can find 20% of 50 and then subtract that from 50, or you could say, okay, 100% minus 20%, that means I'm paying 80% of the price. So if I want to find the sale price, then that means I'm going to take A equals P%, so in this case 80% of 50. So that would be 0.8 times 50. And we get $40. So my sale price is $40. Now again, if you wanted to, you could find 20% of 50 That would be 0.2 times 50. You're going to get $10. And subtract that from the original price of 50, and once again, you would get $40. So either of those methods is acceptable. Your sale price for the skateboard is $40. Now, what about finding the original price? So here we have a pair of soccer cleats is 40% off with a new sale price of $33. So this time we know the sale price and we know the discount. We want to know the original price. So again, you can use either method here. So if we know it's 40% off, that means we're paying 60% of the original price. So again, with our equation, A equals P percent times W. This time, we know A is $33, and that's going to be 60%, again, because 100% minus 40% is 60%. So that's going to be 60% of our whole price here. So 33 is equal to 0.6 W, and we solve for W by dividing both sides by 0.6. So 33 divided by 0.6, we can rewrite that as 330 divided by 6. And we get 55. So 55 is our whole, meaning the original price of the soccer cleats was $55. And with the 40% off discount, they are now $33. Okay, looking at another one. The discount on a DVD is 50%, and it is on sale for $10. What was the original price? So if it's 50% off, that means we're paying 50% of the original price. So $10 is going to be equal to 50% of the whole, the original price. So 10 will be equal to 0.5 W. We divide both sides by 0.5. And again, 10 divided by 0.5, moving that decimal in the divisor gives us 100 divided by 5, which is 20. So the original price of the DVD was $20. All right, one more. A store pays $70 for a bike. What is the selling price when the markup is 20%? So again, they're going to mark the price up by 20% compared to what they paid. So we need to find 20% of $70 and add that to what the store pays. Another way we could do this, right? So we'll do both methods once again. The other way would be to say, okay, 100% plus that 20% markup means we as the customer are paying 120% of the original price. So again, we'll do both methods. First would be to say, okay, we want to find 20% of $70 to get the markup. So A is equal to 20% of 70, and that means A equals 0.2 times 70, which is going to be 14. So the markup is $14, meaning our new price, right? So if we want to know the markup, right, how much are they increasing the price by, then this would be the method. They increase the price by $14. So our new price that we would pay as customers is $84. Okay, again, the other way to do this would be to find, okay, it's a 20% markup, which means it's 120% of the price. So A is equal to 120% times 70, which means A equals 1.2 times 70. 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 7 times 2 is 14, and 7 times 1 plus 1 is 8. So we get $84. And that's a quick look at discounts and markups.